lost. We must be lost.
Don't fret. Mrs. Marmalade precisely informed me that the Cardiff estate is far from the rest of the village. We'll surely be arriving shortly. That must be it.
Yeah.
Sir Christopher Marmalade, my name is Raven Aline. I talked to your wife about the servant household position. I come from Lisbane.
Oh yeah, that's right. You're late. Enter.
Raven, you must be cautious. You know what happened last time.
I simply looked at him, Ophelia. I'm not going to...
Meet my son.
How do you do?
Very well. You must be the new housekeeper.
Why, hello, Raven. You look drained. Follow me up to the attic so I can show you your room. You need lots of rest. You have lots of work to do. The foyer hasn't been swept in ages. All right, Raven. I shall let you rest until dawn. I have a list of tasks for you to do first thing tomorrow morning.
Oh, hello, Raven. I apologize if I've woken you. I enjoy coming down here early in the morning to get a few hours of practice.
Oh no, no worries at all. I'm sorry for interrupting. You play exquisitely. Was that an original composition?
No, that was a well-known piece composed by Ludwig van Beethoven, entitled For Elise. Thank you for your kind words, however. I admire your interest.
My pleasure. You truly do have a gift. Although I must get to work now.
fallen in love with him. You formed an attachment, and your heart no longer belongs to you. You are not in control of your deepest emotions anymore, and there's no escaping. You will live your life longing for love from no one but him. You cannot say that I did not warn you. You will not be able to fall out of love with him under any circumstances.
Good morning, Holden.
Good morning, Raven.
I needed to talk to you about something.
Of course.
Over the past few months, I must admit, I've grown quite fond of you, Holden. You seem to have captivated my attention from the very beginning. The way you play, the way your eyes light up when you show me your newest composition. I'm in love with you, Holden. Ever since I was an infant, I've never had much, but the way I feel when I'm with you, that's more than enough.
I think it's time for you to start your daily chores.
Is everything okay? You haven't been playing recently.
Oh, I just haven't really felt like it. Haven't felt inspired.
You can do this, Raven. You got this. You know what you have to do.